Hey Rock Nation, Buck Primo here with the ROQ US team. Today I'm going to go over the tech tip of the week, and it's going to be flash fan cover maintenance. This is definitely overlooked in a lot of shops. I would say it's very, very important because this is what's moving the air through the flash onto the garment, which is going to help cure your shirts faster. So I'm going to go over a couple things about how to clean them out, how to pull the filters actually off, and then double checking, making sure that your fan is still spinning. So stay tuned. This is the tech tip of the week, and the buck starts here. So in order to remove my filter, I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver if I can't just pry it up by hand. I do not remove these screws, otherwise the fan's going to fall down. So I just give it a little pry with a flathead screwdriver, pop it up over the bolt heads. Now I got my filter off, and you can see this one's not very dirty. I've seen some that look like your dryer lint catch. So I mean, it's not pulling any air. So now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to blow this out with air. If it's really bad, I can take it over to the pressure washer, pressure wash it, and then just let it sit and dry or blow dry it dry. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this over and see if I can blow some of this dirt out, and then I'll put it back on. So now I'm going to just go ahead and blow this out. It's really loud. So even with the air, it didn't really come out very well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash this. It's kind of tricky just because of how small it is, but putting it, standing it up against the back wall and then getting pressure onto it. So now I'm going to take my high power hose and blow it out, and it should be good. Alright, so after pressure washing, you can see it did come out a little bit cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this, or I could just let it sit and dry. Still use the flash, but make sure that this is nice and dry before I put it on. So now I'm going to blow it dry. Really noisy. So now that I've got my nice clean filter, I'm going to, before I put it back on, I'm going to make sure that my fan blades are rotating. If you're not cleaning these, and there's a good chance maybe some lint is getting in from the side, it'll get on your fan blades, get into your fan motor, and cause it to go out. So this is very important. You guys need to make sure that you keep an eye on this. So my fans are spinning. I'm going to go ahead and just push this back on over the bolt heads, and I can go on to the next filter and be ready to go. So that was your tech tip of the week, and until next week, we'll come out with another good tip for you guys to make sure that you're keeping an eye on your ROQ equipment to make sure that it's functioning at the highest level. If you have any questions, please contact our ROQ support line or visit the website. Until then, this is Buck Primo signing out.